Right guys, thank you for tuning in again with us. So today we've got a very dirty wheel. As you can see, we're not messing, so let's check it out at the end. We're going to go in with a pre-wash, get the alloy cleaner on it, give it a rub down, get the brush out, get in between the spokes, get behind them. This wheel's going to be looking like a brand new wheel. Then we're going to clean the tyre, add a tyre dressing. Let's go from there. Right, so first of all we're going to go in with the waxing away alloy cleaner as a pre-wash. You can already see the dirt coming off, I might have touched it. So now we've pre-washed the wheel, we're going to go in with the, what do you call it, the brush. This is a Vikan brush, so it's safe for your rims. So now we're going to get in behind the spokes, get in the alloy. Look at all the dirt coming out already. Oh. So now the wheels had the pre-wash, little brush down, getting behind the alloys. We're going to blast it off now and then we're going to see where we're at. Let's go. So now the tyre needs a little doo-doo. Let's have a look. We've got the tyre brush, give it a dip in. So a quick tip, just for people that are applying tyres, let me start again. Quick tip for anyone applying tyre dressing, make sure you clean the tyre and your tyre dressing will last for so much longer. And look at all the dirt coming off, it's had the pre-wash. There's still a lot of dirt on this tyre. So now the tyre's been cleaned, we're going to jet it off. And once I've cleaned the full wheel, not the full wheel, sorry, the full car, I'm going to come back and apply the tyre dressing once the tyre's dried. So I'll see you again soon. So now the car's been cleaned, we're going to come back to the tyres. using Waxing Away HD tyre cream. This adds another layer of protection onto the tyre and giving them that brand new look again.